Welcome to Miss Lollipop DIY. For my first Christmas tree idea, I'm going to use these 3 paint moving rulers to make the shape, and this silver glitter foamy to cover it. I cover and glue it with hot glue, and this is the shape that I want to make. Now I'm going to use this Christmas ball from Dollar Tree to decorate the inside part. I'm going to start in the bottom and then continue gluing in random spaces. I'm going to glue one in the top and go down until it meets the others. I'm going to use this boa feather from Hobby Lobby to cover the wood part of the rulers around the whole tree. Now I'm going to use these small silver Christmas balls to cover some spaces and create a 3D effect. Also, I'm going to use these foam glitter balls to cover other small spaces. For my second idea, I'm going to use this black foamy glitter from Hobby Lobby to cover this wood sign from Dollar Tree. This is going to be the base of my Christmas tree. To make the shape of the tree, I'm going to be using 2 packages of gold Christmas ball from Dollar Tree. After I cover the base, I'm going to start gluing the Christmas ball ornaments. I'm going to start with 6, then 5 in top of those 6, then 4, 3, 2, and finish with 1 on top. This is how it looks. I love it. Now I'm going to paste some foam balls from Dollar Tree. I'm going to use only the silver ones in the spaces between the gold ball ornaments that I already pasted. I'm gonna use this gold star from Hobby Lobby and the silver ribbon from Dollar Tree to put it on the top of the tree. Now I'm going to use this gold beads necklace from Dollar Tree to put it around the base. This is how it looks. Now I'm gonna use the same gold beads necklace from Dollar Tree to put it hanging from one side to another in 2 spaces. For my third DIY, I'm going to use these clear shower curtain rings from Dollar Tree and small white, gold, and silver ornaments from Hobby Lobby with 50% off. First of all, I'm going to be closing all the shower curtain rings, and then I'm going to arrange them in a straight line, beginning with 5, then 4, 3, 2, and finishing with 1 on the top. And also I'm going to put 2 on the bottom. That is going to be the base of the tree. I'm going to attach a string to the balls and then pass it through the opening space of the shower curtain rings. I already arranged them in the order that I want. So now I'm going to start gluing the shower curtain rings with hot glue. The ruler is going to help me keep them straight. I finished with the first row. So now I'm going to do the same thing with the next row of 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'm gonna use this piece of wood from Dollar Tree to stand up the Christmas tree, and I'm gonna decorate it with this silver glitter ribbon, also from Dollar Tree. I'm gonna use this white flat beads from Hobby Lobby. I pay only $1 for it, and I'm gonna use it to cover the opening space of the shower curtain rings. I'm going to put some decoration in the wood base. The silver and gold stems are from Dollar Tree. The white ones are from Hobby Lobby.